Today we are driving straight into a step-by-step guide on how to file your KRA return as a content creator who receives income through Adsense. Step 1. Log in into your itax.kra.go.ke using your KRA PIN or ID number and your password. Step 2. Go to Returns, then File Returns. Step 3. Tax Obligation. Select Income Tax Resident Individual. Download the Excel sheet at point number 5, as shown by my pointer, and complete it.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Once you open your Excel sheet, enter your KRA PIN number here. Then tax type, you choose original. The tax period, it's definitive 1st to 31st of December 2024. And then do you have any other income except employment income? You select yes. Do you earn any income from a foreign country? Choose yes. So once you are in your individual return, go direct to the business income section, then proceed to put your gross Adsense earnings. Convert your total Adsense income from dollars to Kenya shillings using the CBK exchange rate for that year. If you incurred any expenses while creating content like internet, equipment, editing services, you can deduct them here to reduce your taxable income. Here on the balance sheet for balancing purposes, just indicate 1 on the shares and then indicate 1 on the proprietor's capital. Now scroll to the DTA relief section, that is the Double Taxation Agreement relief. Choose the US as the country. Enter the specific amount that you receive from the US and also enter the amount that was withheld by Google and input it in Kenya shillings. This will reduce the tax liability in Kenya. Review your figures carefully, ensure everything balances, and then validate. In our case, this shows a negative figure, which simply means wewe ndio unadai KRA. It is not the other way around. And this is the best way to make sure that you don't owe KRA and at the same time you have filed your returns correctly. Then we go back to the iTax portal. So confirm the tax period and choose File. You need to upload the Excel sheet that you just completed. Then click Open. Select I agree to the terms and then submit. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about filing or claiming tax relief. I will be happy to help.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel.